I always say.
If you put things on a stick, they'll buy it. What are they buying today, Crumb Boss?
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Ooh, wait, what's that little thing in your hair? Let's see.
Isn't there a song like, and she wore flowers in her hair? Well, now there's a song called that.
Oh my God, are you the girl from No, it's like dark and tan and young and lovely. The girl from Ipanema goes calling, and when she passes, goes, ah.
That's it.
I don't know the words. I don't know the words. All right, so Crumb Boss.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
You got a pretty white flower.
Yes, I do.
Wow.
I'm holding on to summer.
Holding on to summer. Either
fall
that
here
or
in Jersey. All the trees are changing. It's absolutely beautiful out there.
Ugh.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
I love this weather.
So let's get to the what are we doing today, Crumb Boss?
I really am holding on to summer with this episode, with this flower. This is we're gonna make cheesecake on a stick, everybody.
Cheesecake on a stick.
Yeah. Here's my cheesecake. I already took half of it and put some of it on a stick. I'm gonna show you how I did the other half of it. But I do this real big in summertime at Woodland Bakery. I always say, put it on a stick, they'll buy it. They love it. Cake pops, you know, you just stick a stick in
pops.
it. Cookie pops.
Yeah.
Stick a stick in it, and they'll buy it.
Exactly.
So,
it's like a lollipop.
right. So we are building on recipes and showing you a new recipe. Today we took our cheesecake, the one that we mixed. Oh, geez, I don't know when we did that.
No, that's episode 97.
Really? You numbered them while I was gone?
No. Wait, where were you? You weren't anywhere. Wait, where did you get the flower?
I picked it out of your garden.
You picked it out of my garden, yeah. I have a fabulous garden.
Yes.
Yes, go ahead.
All right, we've got two recipes that we're using today that we've already done videos for. One is ganache, the other is vanilla cheesecake. So go ahead and check out those two recipes, make them ahead of time, and then we can proceed with this one. So, I'll show you what I've done here. This is part
Wait, of course the slices are cut perfectly even.
and I'm going to show you how to do that.
Wait, you know what would be a good episode? How to cut a birthday cake. Oh, Gretchen, that would be the best episode.
Forever and never be done filming. There's always so much.
We have to make an episode though. How to cut a birthday cake, because you ever go to a birthday party, nobody knows how to cut a birthday
the one
cake.
who's always cut the birthday cake.
Yeah, but look at, ladies and gentlemen, let's go get those slices again one more time, please. Look how perfectly these cheesecake slices are, and they're all on a wooden stick.
Yep. All right. You know what? I should probably show you where it started.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, cool. Look at that.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, it's like an orange.
Yeah. So pretty much you've got your cheesecake baked, cooled, so that you can, you know, here's one trick I'll just show you real quick. Whenever you do cut a cheesecake, get yourself a container of hot water and put your knife in there. It's going to cut through it so much more smoothly than if you use just a cold knife. So you take your cheesecake, basically to get 8 perfect cuts out of a 7-inch diameter cheesecake, you cut the whole thing in half first, in half again, and then you would just kind of quarter it. So each half has 4 pieces on it, but I've already done the first half of it. See how I dip it in the water every time?
Yeah.
And it makes it cut really clean.
Yes.
All right. And then what I did, I took lollipop sticks, or actually I use dowel rods because they're a little bit thicker gauge than a lollipop stick would be. These are the same dowel rods that I use when I build a wedding cake to hold the tiers up. So then I take the dowels and you just insert them pretty far in because you don't want them to fall off. The cheesecake is heavy and you don't want it to fall off when somebody takes a bite out of it.
You know what it looks like? What's that thing called?
It looks like, I think it looks like the wheel on a boat.
A wheel on a boat.
Right? Like when you drive the boat, like the captain?
No, not Legos. What's those other things called?
Tiddlywinks?
No, not Tiddlywinks. It's Twinkle. I want to say Twinkle Toes.
No, that's you.
That's me. I'm Twinkle Toes in boxing class. No, it's like oh my God.
I think it looks like Trivial Pursuit.
Yeah.
Game playing pieces.
Yes.
All right. So anyway, we've put our cheesecake on the stick now.
Okay.
And what you want to do then is freeze this for at least 2 hours to get it really frozen onto the stick, because what we're going to do next is dip it into our melted down ganache.
Nice.
So everybody, you got to go check out that recipe.
Yeah, with 2 schmuckers making ganache.
Two schmuckers from Jersey making ganache. That was the
That was the best line. 2 schmuckers.
All right, so you've got your melted ganache, and what you want to do is then just dip your cheesecake straight in. So you need a pretty deep bowl to dip this, because look, it's got to go all the way in, right?
Yeah.
All right, so you're going to do that.
Oh my God.
And I just want to
beautiful.
dip off the excess. Doesn't it look really nice?
Yeah.
All right, and then what I do is then go ahead and lay them down right into some sprinkles. Because I like mine to have a little bit of decoration on them.
Because you're the crumb boss.
That's right.
Crumb boss and her flower.
Crumb Boss has a flower in her hair.
Crumb boss has a flower in her hair.
Don't tell Nate Pinky, Priscilla will be upset.
Yeah, Nate Pinky. Hi, Nate Pinky.
All right, so here we have it. I'm just really dipping that.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, like I said, this is a big summer seller at the bakery. People love anything on a stick.
Yes.
So I just.
But the whole key, though, is crumb boss is that it has to be like frozen on. Like once
Oh
you
yeah.
take the
Otherwise, if this wasn't frozen on this stick, once I dip it in the ganache, it's gonna fall right off. Remember when you dipped your Oreo cookie pops?
I was having a heart attack at the same time.
So I mean, there's a lot of little tricks. So and on Crumb Boss, we tell you all of them. There's no secrets on Crumb Boss TV.
Exactly.
We tell you all the tips and tricks to being a professional.
And that's why everybody is posting their photos, talking to us on Facebook. The comments pour in from all over the world, and we're so excited. And it's just going to keep getting bigger and bigger and better.
It's been really good.
Yes.
Everybody, you should join our Facebook page. We have a Crumb Boss Facebook page. The energy there is awesome.
Yes.
Everybody's really nice. And what I notice when I don't have time to answer a lot of the questions, all of the fans that are on that page will step in and start helping each other. I love it. It's really cool. So then what I do to serve these, I take a cupcake paper. This is a jumbo size cupcake wrapper, and I just kind of flatten it out a little bit so that I can have something to serve it in, just like that.
Nice. Oh, this looks delicious, Gretchen.
Yeah, and they are really good. It's cheesecake on a stick. I mean,
Cheesecake on a stick covered in chocolate ganache.
Ganache.
Made from 2 chicks from Jersey. Made from the crumb boss from Jersey. Couple of schmuckers.
Yeah. And there you go.
And there we go. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have a cheesecake on a stick made by the crumb boss.
Aloha. Same way you say hello.
Oh yeah?
Hello and goodbye is aloha, Crumb Boss.